Beyond the beauty lies something even more powerful. Something older than the peaks, deeper than the pines, and calmer than the lakes. A shared home.
Welcome to Mammoth Lakes.
Bienvenidos a nuestra casa.
Te wob I te yarohiti. Agwa te tsao nakahide. Ui pita ne nagwa tsao surirati. Agwa te bua aga mana hobu.
Thanks to the support of the Town of Mammoth Lakes and our partners, Mammoth Lakes is ready to welcome you for another great summer adventure. Because when we work together, everyone can enjoy these incredible public lands. This land is alive and cared for by many. Wildfire remains one of the greatest threats to this landscape in our community. But firefighters, foresters, and neighbors are taking action, restoring forest health, and building resilience, one tree at a time. Wildfire mitigation takes years of planning, science, and boots on the ground. And the healthy forest you see today, that's the result. And keeping that way means staying informed, making smart choices, and respecting the land that we share. These alpine trails endure a lot, from storms, snowmelt, and footsteps, but the community of Mammoth Lakes is rising to meet that challenge, restoring and protecting access so these paths remain open and cared for now and well into the future. And when their work is done, we step in, hikers, bikers, nature lovers, to move gently through those newly restored spaces. Even the smallest acts can be the biggest signs of respect, because stewardship isn't someone else's job, it's all of ours. From opening public restrooms to clearing brush, from picking up after your pup to pitching in on trashy Thursdays and trail days, this isn't just a destination, it's a collective promise. The real unreal isn't just about the views, it's about the people who protect them. This land is our home, and keeping it unreal, it's a mammoth thing.